Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo size in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera. Then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can change photo size for rear camera and also for selfie camera. And here you can change, like you can set high resolution, recommended resolution, and also 8 megapixels resolution. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.